Hello, good morning, all my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at home. This is our English grammar period, and today we are going to learn new topic of English grammar. All of you ready? Very good. So kids, in the last video of English grammar, we have already discussed naming words, right? So kids, today we are going to learn our new topic, that is common names and special names. We also called as common noun or special noun. Okay, always remember this thing. Okay, good. But kids, before starting this lesson, tell me one thing. What are nouns or naming words? That I have already taught you in the previous lesson, right? Okay, let's revise it now. Ready? Good. So, kids, nouns are the names of people, places, animals, and things. Okay, it means that there are different types of people live around us, right? And everyone have a specific name, so we call them as noun. In this way, there are different types of animals, there are different types of things, there are different types of places around us, so we call as noun. So nouns are the names of people, places, animals, and things. So always remember this thing. Got it? Good. Now kids, look at this picture carefully. In this picture, we can see there are some people, places, animals and things, right? Let's see one by one. So first category is people. In the category of people, we can see there are mother, father, boy and girl, right? Then next category is places. So in that we can see hospital, church, garden and bank, right? Then next category is of animals. We can see in that cat, buffalo, monkey, elephant, cheetah and camel, right? Then last category is of thing. We can see in that t-shirt, frock, shoe, books, balloon and cake, right? So kids, all of these are called as naming words. These are the examples of some nouns, or we also called as naming words. Got it? Very good. So kids, up to this slide, we revise our last lesson, that is naming words or we called as noun, right? Today we are going to talk about special nouns or common noun, or we also called as special name or common name. Okay, good. There are two types of names. First is common name or we also called as common noun, and second is special name or we also called as proper noun. Okay, so kids, in this lesson we are going to study two nouns, that is common names and special names. Okay, very good. Now kids, first is common name. Common names means it is a type of people, places, animal and thing. Got it? Common names means it is a type of people, places, animals and things. For example, teacher. Kids, you can see many teacher in your school, right? So teacher is a common name. Then school, you can see many schools in your city, right? So school is also a common name. Then temple, you can see many temples in your city, right? So temple is also a common name. So common names means it is a type of people, places, animal and things. Got it? Very good. Now kids, next is special name. Special names means it is a specific name of people, place, animal and thing, Got it clear? It is a specific name of that thing that we call as special name. For example, Ram. Now Ram is a name of one boy. So Ram is a special name. Then India. India is one of the country. So India is a special name. Then Nashik. Nashik is only one city in Maharashtra. Got it? So Nasik also is a special name. Then your name, right? So special names means it is a specific name of a particular thing. Got it clear? Very good. Kids, always remember one thing. All the special names starts with a capital letter and all the common names starts with a small letter. Got it clear? I repeat my sentence. All the special names starts with a capital letter and all the common names starts with a small letter. Okay? Good. Now kids, let's see some examples. Okay? Now kids, look at this picture carefully. In this picture, you can see one doctor, right? Now kids, doctor comes in the category of people. Okay? So, doctor is a common name because we can see many doctor around us, right? So, doctor is a common name. But if we give the specific name of that doctor, then it is a special name. So, Dr. Ram is a special name. Got it clear? So, kids, in this picture, doctor is a common name and Dr. Ram is a special name. Got it clear? Good. Now, next example. Now, in this example, one girl is there, right? So, kids, girl is a common name. Got it? So, here G is small. I have already told you common name starts with a small letter. So, here girl is starts with a small letter. And the name of this girl is Riya. So, here R is capital and Riya is a special name because it is a name of that girl. Got it clear? So, in this picture, girl is a common name and Riya is a special name. Got it? Good. Now, next is house. Now, kids, house comes in the category of place, right? And we can see many houses around us. So, house is a common name. But the name of that house is Dream Villa. So, Dream Villa is a special name because it is the name of that house. Got it clear? So, in this picture, house is a common name and Dream Villa is a special name. Got it? Good. Now, next picture is about police station. Again, police station comes in the category of place, right? And we can see many police station in Nasik city, right? So kids, police station is a common name. So it starts from a small letter. So here P is small. Got it clear this thing? But in the another hand, it is the Gangapur police station. Means it is a name of that police station. Got it? So it is unique. So Gangapur police station is a special name and that's why it starts from a capital letter. Got it clear this thing? So kids, in this picture, police station is a common name and Gangapur police station is a special name. Got it clear? Very good. Now kids, next pic is garden, right? So kids, we can see many garden around us, right? So garden is a common name and it comes in the category of place again. Got it clear? So garden is a common name but the name of that garden is sunflower. So, sunflower garden is a special name because it is the name of that garden. Got it clear? So, in this picture, garden is a common name and it starts from a small letter, and sunflower garden is a special name and it starts from a capital letter. Got it? Good. Now, next example comes in the category of animal, right? So kids, here you can see one small cat. Got it? So kids, cat comes in the category of animal and it is common name. But the name of that cat is Millie. So Millie is a special name. Got it clear? So common name here, cat starts from small letter and Millie start from a capital letter. Got it clear? Very good. Now again dog comes in the category of animal and dog is a common name. Okay, and name of that dog is Fido. So Fido is a special name. Got it clear? So in this picture, dog is a common name and Fido is a special name. Kids, next pick is car, and car comes in the category of thing, right? And we can see many cars around us. So car is a common name and it starts from a small letter. So here C is small. Got it clear? But the name of that car company is Tata Motors. So Tata car is a special name. Got it clear? So kids, in this picture, car is a common name and Tata car is a special name because it is the name of that car company. Got it clear? Good. Now, kids, next is watch, and watch comes in the category of thing. Got it? And we can see different types of watches available in the market. So kids, watch is a common name. Got it clear? But kids, Titan is a specific name of that watch. So Titan is a special name. Got it clear? So in this picture, watch is a common name and Titan watch is a special name. And common name, that is watch, it starts from a small letter, and special name, that is T, it starts from a capital letter. Got it clear? Very good. So kids, here we finish our common names and special names. Okay, let's revise it again. There are two types of names or nouns, that is common names and special names. Always remember these things. First, nouns are the names of people, places, animals and things. Nouns are the names of people, places, animals and things. Got it? Second, all the common names start with a small letter. For example, cat, dog, shop, school, etc. Always remember this thing. Okay? Third, all the special names start with a capital letter. For example, Ram, Fido, Nashik, India, etc. Got it clear? All the special names start with a capital letter. Okay? So kids, in this way we finish our third lesson of English grammar, that is common names and special names. In the next period of English grammar, we will solve exercise that is given in our textbook. Okay? So kids, watch and listen this video carefully. Okay? Bye. Take care and have a nice day.